Man, do I got some news for you guys. Today we're going to be fixing my Corvette. Story time. The other day I was out there at the Conor McGregor fight at my buddy's house. And as we all know, that thing only lasted about 10 seconds. I show up. As soon as I walk in, they're already fighting, Conor McGregor and Max Holloway. I walk in, I sit down, it's over. So that was the biggest disappointment of the night. Oh, one of the biggest disappointments of the night. And then, within 30 minutes to 1 hour later, I walk outside to seeing my car cosmetically reorganized with no one in sight. No, like, I'm sorry note, no thank you note or whatever for, I guess, fixing my car for me. Basically, the vet was involved in a hit and run, boys. The rest of it's fine overall. But yeah, tragedy of the night. And fight sucked. And as soon as I parked too, I instantly knew, I was like, watch someone hit me, just because I knew it was like going to be people drinking and driving or whatever that night. And I parked at my friend's house, and as soon as I left, or as soon as I was getting ready to leave after the fight, I walk outside and I witnessed this, and yeah, tragedy, boys. Busted radiator, but so far that's about it. Fender's a little offline. Was drivable, did drive it onto the trailer. Definitely needs a new headlight too. My headlight's cooked. Oh, what about the wrap? Man, and the value. As some of you guys may know, I'm already trying to sell the vehicle, so now all this does is make it a little bit harder. Plus, who knows what I'm gonna have to take off. Hopefully, just because how beautiful it is, I can still get what I'm asking for. Big shout out to the mobile body shop that came and modified my vehicle for me. It looks nice. You unidentified mobile body shop. Luckily, my insurance is going to cover this. I have prostate. I have progressive, and it is covered under the insurance for my hit and run. Damn, I can't believe people are just out here smacking Corvettes and dipping like that. Right now, I'm just waiting on the tow guy to get here. We're finally going to get it in the shop, get it taken care of. They haven't given me an estimation time, but I'm guessing it's going to be about 2-3 weeks. Baby's going to be gone for a while. Till then, though, we're going to be working on the new project. We got to get the differential welded and a hydro brake, and then that she's ready to go. I do think I'm going to end up hitting a track before we get a hydro brake. The main goal, welded differential and hydro brake. Fix the tail light. I don't know about that one. Don't forget, shop with us at Lux Automotive. I got my Audi S5 still available. V8 manual with Alcantara or suede. I don't know what it would be. Don't quote me. Check us out, Lux Automotive. And no, the Nissan is not for sale. That one's staying with me. I'm hoping I'll have the baby back within 2 to 3 weeks, but who knows what we're looking at. It is now time to get my big ass somehow within this window. We got enough room. All right, big day today. Tow man's finally here. Baby's finally gonna get fixed. Last time we were here in a cold start for a while, so let's get it in. Z mode active. Check engine. More than likely because of the radiator. Beauty, as always. All right, my man's driving her up there. Shout out Progressive. Taking care of this clean. You guys, it really does suck. Funny thing is, though, I wish they would have totaled it, because at least I'd be getting a new car. Here's the keys to the baby. Pretty soon, though, guys, our front girl will be smiling again. Hate to see her go, love to watch her leave. On a real note, though, shout out to the guy that modified my car for me. I wish he would have modified everything so it looked more even, but one side it was kind of like messed up. But yeah, thank you for the hit and run. I wish he would have completed the job and actually at least totaled it or something. That way I'd get paid out and make something off of it. Instead, I'm stuck with modifying my car back. Today's July 21st, so we will see when we get this car back and how long it takes. I'm predicting upwards of 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. So we'll see. Drift Nissan coming in, though. We have our diff welder coming in the next 2 to 3 days, so she should be in the track by the end of this week. I was thinking about waiting until the hydro was installed, but To be honest, I can't wait that long. I kind of just want to have some fun in it now.